Welcome back to the Fashionista Professor channel. So this is the bikini that I'm gonna do today, and then I'm gonna go outside and take shots in the pool. I am inside because it is raining, so I'm gonna be swimming in the rain today. So we're gonna see how that goes. So this is the Shein Bikini, and it is a size small, but it's a little bit too big for me. I had to do the strap really tight, and so I have to be very, very careful such that I don't have a wardrobe malfunction, because as you can see it's loose here. So if I raise my arms, it's gonna pop up, and we can't have that. You'll have me breaking out in Nigerian English. You'll be like, say this and don't pafoka. You know what make it pafoka, and you guys don't want me to speak like that. So I'm gonna try and keep this very, very modulated. I'm wearing my flip-flops, as you guys can see, the flip-flops that I wear to go swimming. And so this is from Shein, as I mentioned, with the gold buckle, and I have the gold sequin earrings, and it is high cut, and it has the gold buckle at the side, and at the back you can see it's kind of loose here, but what can I do? They don't have any smaller size, so I've got to make do with it. And so it's basically a plain old swimsuit. The only thing is that it's a little bit too big for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and showcase it by the pool in the rain, and then I might go outside in the front in the rain because I am feeling, airy. I want to swim, and I think it's nice swimming in the rain. So I'll try and make sure and get you guys fabulous footage of me in the rain by the swimming pool. So hold on. So now time for the Fashionista Professor runway walk inside the house, and then we're gonna go outside to do the swimming. So music, hit it. Oh my gosh, the water is so warm and so fabulous. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and swim some more in the rain. It's so beautiful swimming in the rain. Come join me. gonna go ahead and end this video now. Hope you enjoyed it. Ta-da! So the pool guy just cleaned the pool. Well, we had a rainstorm yesterday, so we got some leaves from the trees in the pool and some bugs in there. And I hate swimming when there is bug in the pool. So I'm gonna be the pool lady while my oldest son is swimming. I'm gonna use the pool. So today I'm gonna do a quick review of this bikini set that I'm wearing before I get into the pool and swim. So this I actually got from the mall. It is a multi-color bikini set, and it has pink, blue, and black. You guys know my favorite color is black, and so I think it's really, really snazzy and very, very cool-like. And it is my oldest son approved as well as Zoe approved. So this is the bikini I'm gonna be wearing swimming today. So comment down below and let me know what you think. I think it's very simple and comfortable, and so ooh la la. So it is so hot. I can't wait to jump into the pool, and I'll take you guys with me. I think I'm gonna turn on the water hose such that I'll rinse off before jumping into the pool because it is so warm and I am sweating. So comment down below and let me know what you think of the bikini. I think it's a fabulous one, despite the fact it's not a designer, it's just something that I picked up from the mall. And so I am coupling it with my rhinestone sunglasses. Very, very fabulous. And I'm doing the runway modeling for you guys on my just recently mowed lawn. So I think the lawn is very, very fabulous. I feel like dancing on the lawn. So yeah, that is the bikini review. It's very comfortable. It has two ties here, and then the top ties at the collar and then also ties at the back, which it can sometimes be difficult for me to tie. And I'm wearing flip-flops because I love wearing flip-flops, because sometimes when it's very, very hot, the concrete around the swimming pool can be warm on the feet. So this is my look today for swimming. Ta-da! So what do you think? I like it. I hope you guys like it and you all love it as well. So ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and turn the hose and rinse off. So stay tuned. So Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this bikini. That feels so good. Woo! Zoe, come on, it feels so good. Uh-oh. Come on, Zoe. Come on. Here. Come on. Woo. Woo. Oh, that feels so good. Jump for me. done swimming. It's been a lot of fun swimming, and I think I'm gonna get out of the pool now. So, ciao. I'm done swimming. That was a glorious swim. I absolutely loved it. And I hope you guys had as much fun watching the vlog as much as I had making it. And I do love this bikini. What do you guys think of the bikini? Is it fabulous or what? And it held up pretty well in the water. So anyway, that's it for this vlog. Okay. That's it for Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this bikini set. So comment down below and let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer this bikini set, the black with the buckle, or do you prefer the multicolored bikini set that I modeled outside by the swimming pool? Let me know which one you like the fit better, because I think I like the fit of the multicolored one better. So comment down below and let me know which of the two that you prefer. And then comment down below and let me know if you prefer my modeling it inside the house or my modeling the bikini outside by the swimming pool. So thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much for commenting down below. And please do watch the adverts, because I get paid depending on how long you watch the adverts for. So please try and watch it for at least a minute, you know, before, if you have to click off, try and watch it for a minute. But anyway, thank you so much for being with us today. I really do appreciate it. And do continue to social distance and do continue to take care of yourself. So till next time when I upload for you guys, thank you and kisses. Kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que messia. Mwah.